Tropical rainforests or jungles, as they called, cover 6% of the land. They overfilled with life from the forest floor up to the treetops. Diversity of plants and animals is caused either by the ideal environmental conditions or probably by the struggle for survival. There is no other place in the world where is presented such great variety of ancient forms. The rainy season is from December to May. Notice how much the rainfall varies over the year. The highest monthly rainfall is in March with over 300 millimeters, while the lowest is in August with less than 50 millimeters. Over the year, the temperature only varies by 2 degrees Celsius. These moist forests are found between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. They include tropical rainforests such as the Amazon, as well as most deciduous forests like those found in eastern India. These are some species of animals and plants found in the tropical rainforest. Carnivorous plants, orchids, strangler figs, and prop roots. Spider monkeys, sloths, jaguars, and tapirs. Abiotic factors in a tropical rainforest include water, a warm climate, sunlight, and soil nutrients. The end. Thank you for watching.